Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can highlight text in Notion, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is a very useful tool which you can use for managing your time, managing your documents, managing your to-do list, whatever you want. There is a lot of different templates which serve a lot of different purposes, and you just need to play around with it and see how Notion can help you. I would wholeheartedly recommend you try it if you haven't already. And yeah, you have a wide variety of things you can do, one of which is making textual documents. As you can see on my screen right now, I have created a placeholder text document, just named it test, added some lines of text which are arbitrary. You can do whatever you want, just enter whichever text you would like. And let's say if you have a text which you want to highlight. This is done very easy. You can just do this by selecting the text you want, just clicking Control Shift and H, and as you can see it has been highlighted. Now if I selected this, here is the highlight tool. You can select whichever background you would like. You can select the default background, that's just deactivated. You can select green, you can select whichever you want. And if you want to do it in another way, what you can also do is just highlight that text and go into this menu right here and then just select background, and it'll just show you all the different tools which you can use, all the different backgrounds, and depending on what you select, that's how your text will be highlighted. If I select this, this can be yellow, this can be orange, this can be, I don't know, red, some sort of color of the rainbow type deal. And yeah, as you can see, you can highlight it however you would like, and this is a very useful tool to use. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.